Happy day after a couple of days off. And I wanted to dive right in because today is going to be your official day for taking notes on the three specific cultural topics that you were going to use in your story about Brazil. And so I thought, well, let me show you exactly what that might look like. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and show you the Brazil hybrid writing piece that we have put together in case you don't already have this. If you do already have it, yay. And if not, you can hit highlight it and print it out from the page today. But it was also on last week's page as well. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. It's your final three topics, additional note taking. Now, remember, you've already done a little bit of research and dabbled in all of these cultural topics, and you're choosing three of them so that when you write your story, you're going to incorporate this in so that you can teach readers about Brazil in some aspect. So, what I did was I went on to the Epic website. And I found this book. It looks like this. You'll see it if you go onto Epic. You probably have copies of these books in your classroom as well. But nonetheless, if not, you have all these books at your disposal on Epic and also ones that were downloaded. So this is what the book looks like. And sometimes when you look through the table of contents, it doesn't necessarily say specifically what you are looking for. But if you start to peruse the book, you might find it. And in my case, I want language to be a part of my story. I want my character to go to Brazil and speak Portuguese and a little bit, because I learned a few words and I'm going to kind of maybe get that in there. And so I look through there and it doesn't say anything about language, but look, as I was looking through this, the land, the rainforest, the wildlife, the people, look at speak Portuguese and there's English, Portuguese, and how to say it. So I decided, and I didn't even see that when I first was looking at this, but I decided I was going to set up my page. My topic, my cultural subject, number one is going to be language. So you'll write that on your piece. My name obviously is Nancy. And I'm going to write the word that they are using it and and then how to pronounce it and what it means. So in here, the word is oi. You pronounce it oi, and it means hello. So I'm going to say the word is oi. You pronounce it oy. And whoops. And I tried tabbing already, and it adds this weird thing to my page, so I'm not going to tab. And it means hello. Now I'm going to go to the next one. I'm going to return and go back to Epic. And maybe I want to say goodbye or yes or no or please. I think I want to say please. I'm sure I want to say that. And I'm sure I want to say thank you. And I might want to say all these other words too. But please and thank you might be important for my character to say when he or she is in this place. Or in my case, I think it's a she. So I'm going to say please. It's por favor, and it's pronounced por favor. So I'm going to go in. It's just like Spanish. So it's por favor, and its pronunciation is por favor, and it means please. Okay. Then I'm going to go back in and I want to say thank you. And this is a fun word. This is a word that I did not know. It's obrigado. Obrigado. And the word means thank you. So I'm going to write the word is let me make sure I know how to spell it. It's spelled obrigado. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to go obrigado, and it's pronounced obrigado, and it means thank you. Okay. And so when I do my research today, I am finding a book. I'm finding the specific thing in the book that I need, and I'm taking notes on my final three topics, additional note taking page. All right. So I wish you well today. I'm really excited to see how you're going to incorporate your research into the story that you're writing. I think this is a really fun way to close out a year of really extraordinary writing. Okay. Have a beautiful day, my loves, and we will see you soon.